Hey guys, I just wanted to do a really quick review on this makeup bag that I just purchased just recently. I got this makeup bag from Amazon. The bag costs $124 plus some tax. It's by Beautique. And what I was looking for in a new makeup bag was something that was more efficient and something that was going to make it easier for me to do my job, and then also carry it to and from without a lot of hassle and a lot of effort. And so what I was looking for in a quality bag was something that was going to give me some additional tools to it, which this bag does. And so let me just point out some of the bright points that I found to be great for this bag. So number one, it is small. It's not extremely big, which some makeup bags are a little bit bigger now, and it makes it a little bit more tough for you to get it in and out of your car and all that. And so what I like is it's slender. It's really compact, very slender. It has nice zippers that are easy to open up and close. And as you can see, I can use it for more than just a makeup bag. I can put my curling irons in here after I'm done with the use. And I can also put my makeup brushes in here inside of a pack if I would like to. So that's one of the bright points there. When I bought the bag, I saw that it has came with lots of wonderful additional bags. And I really like these because, as you can see, it has a black lining on the inside. Let me open this up for you so you can see. Has black lining on the inside, which makes the bag look a little bit more sophisticated as you put your products in here. And I have all of my, as you can see, my MAC lipsticks in here. And then I have like my lip liners in this one, and lip pencil sharpeners in here. Now, this bag also came with some additional bags. These are my own bags that I put in here separately. But look at all the space in here. Oh my goodness. Look at all this space. It came with these beautiful bags here. This is one right here. An additional. And then the third one. And I have so much stuff. Everything that I need in order to make my job easier in this. And it looks like it doesn't fit a lot of product in here, but it fits so much product in this one little case. So, you know, I just wanted to share my review on how much I like this bag. And look at this. Look at all these compartments here. This goes down in here pretty far. I really like that. You can put extra added stuff in there if you want to, but it just makes everything easy for you to find, within reach. It is efficient, and it is compact and pretty lightweight. It has a nice handle to it. This handle can extend, so as you're like rolling it, it's long enough for you to roll it without you having to lean back or anything, putting strain on your back or anything like that. And everything just fits in its place with no problem. I just love this bag. I think that it's awesome. Now, the one thing that I did not like about the bag too much, and this is my honest review about it, although it does carry a lot of product, it does carry a lot. It has nice compartments and everything like that. It's still pretty compact, so you have to like pack wisely. I guess that's the downside. And I want to be able to carry everything in here. I would have loved to have more room for my hair supplies. so that I can carry hair supplies as well as my makeup. And you know, as I'm doing the hair, I need my curling irons, I need some pomade, I need hairspray, and then I need combs and all that. I would have liked for it to have a little bit more room so that I could put that in here as well, but it just doesn't fit all of that. And so that was one of the downsides to it. I was looking for something that was like all around going to be effective for me as an artist, so that I can do my job, quickly go to whatever I need to fine tune quickly without the hassle. But this just doesn't do that. It's just mostly enough for makeup, it's a makeup bag. So, I mean, that's to be expected. But I would have loved to see something that was both efficient for hair and makeup in the same bag. And however beautiful and compact, that just didn't do it. But otherwise, it's very highly durable. I found it to be a beautiful design. I like the mesh design in it to hold. It looks like it's gonna last a long time. You can see the mesh detail right here. This handle is pretty sturdy. It has these little tacks right here on the side as well, on the sides. And the handle here has a kind of like it's not a leather material, but it looks like, I don't know what kind of material this is, but this is really great. It looks like it's gonna be durable and last a really long time. So, you know, I really can't complain. It's a really nice bag. I'm looking forward to using it, and we'll see how this continues to work for me over this next year. I'll give an update review, let you guys know how I like it from here on. My name is Nina Wee. Thank you so much for watching my review. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me, ninawee@gmail.com. You can go to my website, www.ninahwee.com, and I have a contact form, and you can fill out a contact form, get in touch with me, keep in touch. I'm also Nina Wee on Instagram, NINAHWEE. So very easy for you to follow me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.